Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever felt like your emotions or your child's emotions just take over, especially when dealing with ADHD? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the brain to understand why. We're talking about the amygdala and how it plays a huge role in the emotional roller coaster of ADHD. This is part 2 of our series, Connecting Biology Behavior Inside the ADHD Brain. If you missed part 1 about dopamine, I'll put a link in the description. Today, we are focusing on the amygdala, understanding the amygdala. So, what exactly is the amygdala? It's a small, almond-shaped structure deep within the brain, part of what we call the limbic system. Think of it as the brain's alarm system. Its primary job is to detect threats and trigger our fight-flight-freeze response. But in ADHD, the amygdala can sometimes overreact, leading to what we call an amygdala hijack. This is when the emotional brain takes over the thinking brain, making it hard to think rationally. We will also discuss how the connections between the frontal cortex and the amygdala are disrupted in individuals with ADHD. Amygdala hijack and ADHD. Imagine your child is working on a tough math problem. They get frustrated, and suddenly it's not just about math anymore. It's a full-blown emotional meltdown. That's the amygdala at work. These floods of emotion, as Dr. Thomas Brown calls them, can overwhelm individuals with ADHD. Daniel Goleman describes this as the amygdala hijack in his book Emotional Intelligence. This is where the emotional part of the brain overpowers the thinking part. We will talk about how this impacts children and adults. Managing emotional responses. The good news is there are ways to manage these intense emotions. Dr. Sharon Saline suggests learning to recognize your triggers and practicing self-soothing techniques. This could be anything from deep breathing to changing your environment. As parents, we can help by asking, what does my child need? And helping them develop self-awareness. We can also help them develop coping strategies. Growth mindset. Carol Dweck's research on growth mindset is also crucial. Many individuals with ADHD have a fixed mindset, believing their abilities are set in stone. We can help them shift to a growth mindset by praising effort and viewing mistakes as learning opportunities. Instead of saying, "You're bad at math," try, "I noticed you worked really hard on this problem and you're making progress." Understanding the amygdala's role in ADHD can make a huge difference. By recognizing triggers, practicing coping strategies, and fostering a growth mindset, we can help manage those big emotions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave your questions and comments below. See you in the next video.